Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfat. We have a very simple question. We are going to find the simplification of this question here to simplify this one. This is 5 power 2 power 3 divided by 5 square with the whole power 3. So here this is 2 power 3 means 8. 2 power 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that is equals to 8. 2 power 3 means 8, and here we have a double power here, so it will be multiplied to each other. 3 2s are 6. We have to apply this rule here, m power n whole power a, so that will be equals to m power a power n. So this is 3 2s are 6, and this is 2 power 3 means the 8 here. So this is 8 power divided by 5 power 6. Now we have to shift this 6 to the numerator, so that will be 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 means 2, and 2 power 5 means 5 multiplied by 5, that is equals to 25. So the answer of this question is 25. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arfat. Allah Hafiz.